Your client is a beer manufacturing company that operates in India. The cost structure for the company is poor compared to the international benchmarks, and you have been asked by the client to find out why.
Is the problem only on the cost side, or should I also analyze the revenues of the company to look for a problem there?
No, the problem is only on the cost side.
All right. Is the problem with only one specific beer product, or is the problem spread out across different products? Additionally, is this an industry-wide problem or specific to our client?
The problem is not limited to one product. In fact, the client is facing the problem across many beer products. There is no relevance to the problem being limited to our client or the industry.
Okay. I think it would make sense to break the costs down into the value chain to see where the cost issue lies. Should I go ahead with the same?
Sure, you can do that.
I would start by looking at the raw material costs. Are they larger than the industry average?
No, our raw material costs are in line with the industry.
Okay. Next, I would look at the processing costs. Have there been any issues out there?
Yes, as a matter of fact, our processing costs are higher than the benchmarks.
Okay, in that case, I would like to delve deeper into processing costs. However, before I proceed with the same, I would like to see if this is the only cost head that has an issue.
You may proceed with processing costs. There are no other cost heads where the client is facing a problem.
Okay, is the client facing labor or rent issues, or is having underutilization of capacity?
Yes, the client is indeed facing a problem in the utilization of capacity.
How many plants/machines does the client own? What is the capacity of each plant/machine? Are we utilizing 100% of the production capacity?
The client owns 3 plants with 3 machines each. The capacity of each plant is 30,000 bottles. Yes, we are able to utilize 100% of the capacity.
Okay, so this would mean 10,000 bottles per machine. Are the competitors also producing 30,000 bottles per plant?
No, the competitors are able to produce 50,000, 80,000 bottles per plant.
Is it because of better machines or more number of machines?
Competitors are using advanced machines, which are able to produce more number of bottles per machine.
How expensive are advanced machines? Would the labor need special training to operate the same?
These machines cost 1.5 times, 1.5 crores, the normal machine, and produces twice the amount produced by normal machine. There are no special training requirements to operate the machine.
Okay, so now I would want to figure out the reason for not buying high-capacity machines.
Sure, go ahead.
I could think of the following reasons. 1. The client can't invest an amount of 1.5 crores at this point of time. 2. There are some logistics issues associated with installing the machine.
The client can invest 1.5 crores, so let's explore the second option.
It can be because of the size of machine or different raw material requirements.
Okay, so the advanced high-capacity machine requires larger ground area, which is not possible in the current plant size. What would you recommend in such a case?
So I have a few questions before I give the recommendations. How many shifts are we operating in, and what is the duration of each shift?
We are currently operating in 2 shifts of 8 hours each.
So, in the short term, we can increase the shifts from 2 to 3 to increase the capacity of the plant. And in the longer run, we can aim to buy plants which are larger as compared to the existing plant to accommodate high-capacity machines.